Hello everyone, welcome to Mathx. I am Dr. Shobhan Bera. In this video, we will solve an important CSIR NET Mathematics 2026 memory based question in linear algebra. Now we see the question. Let T such that 3 by 3 real matrix to 3 by 3 real matrix be a linear transformation defined by T of A equals to A transpose, where AT denotes the transpose of a matrix, and consider the following statement. S1 statement 1, S1 T is diagonalizable, S2 trace of T equals to 6. Determine which of the following statement S1 and S2 are true. We find dimension of M 3 by 3 of real matrices equals to 9. For this reason, we take the standard basis. We take the standard basis E11, E12, E13, E21, E22, E23, E31, E32, E33. Here T of A equals to A transpose. Therefore, T of E11, T of E11, that means E11 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. Other will be 0 so on. Now E12. What is E12? What is E12? If we substitute this, we get E21, that is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Therefore, only this is non-zero. Other will be, other are 0. Other are 0. Similarly, T of E13, that is T of 31, E13, that is 1 into 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Other are 0. Now E21, that is E12. Therefore, E12 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Other will be 0. Now similarly, we get T of 22, that is E22. Therefore 1 into 0 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 0. Now E23, that is transpose. After transpose, we get 3 2 1 into 3 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Now E transpose of E31, that is E13. Therefore 0 0 and 1 into 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. T of E32, that is E23. Therefore, we can write 1 into 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Other are 0. Now T of E33 will be E33. Therefore 0 dot 0 1 into 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So we form a matrix T, 9 by 9 order, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now E12, that means E21, therefore it is 0. 1 2 3 4. So E21 will be 1 into 0 0 0 1 0 0. Simple mistake, sorry for that. So therefore 0 0 0 therefore 0 0 0 1 and other 0. Next E13, E31, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 element are non-zero. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, other are 0. Now E21, that is E12, therefore 0 1. Second element are non-zero, therefore 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And E22, that is 2 element, that is 1 2 3 4 5, 5 non-zero, 1 2 3 4 5, other are 0. And E23, that means 3 to position, therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 position non-zero, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 0. Now E31, 1 3, that means 0 1 2 1 2 3, 3 position, third position non-zero, 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 3 2, that means 2 3, therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6, sixth position be non-zero, 0 0 0 4 5 6 7 8 9, other are 0. Now final one E33, that means last number will be non-zero. This is non-zero, other are 0. Therefore we get the matrix T. Now we find out the diagonal element of this T matrix. Now we get trace of T. We know that trace of T will be 1 1 1 plus 1 and plus 1, therefore 3. But in given question, trace of t equals to 6, so trace of not equals to 6, therefore s2, therefore s2 not true. The statement s2 is not true. Now we have to find out the t is diagonalizable or not. For that, we consider eigenvalue lambda corresponding eigenvector a non-zero. Now t of a equals to lambda a, therefore we can write at equals to lambda a. Taking transpose on the both side, we get a transpose of t equals to lambda a whole transpose. Therefore a, that is lambda into at, and at equals to, we know that at equals to lambda a, therefore lambda square a. Since a non-zero, therefore lambda square equals to 1, and this imply lambda equals to plus minus 1. We know that if the eigenvalue are distinct, then this matrix is diagonalizable. Therefore lambda equals to plus minus 1 are the eigenvalue of matrix T. Therefore T is diagonalizable. So S1 is true. S1 is true. So S1 is true, but S2 false. If you found this video useful, please give it like, comment and share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mathx for more CSIR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, MSc. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you in next video. Goodbye.